Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this sticky rubberized coating on these door handles in my Golf here. What you'll need is some rubbing alcohol. This stuff is cheap, it works excellent. You need an old rag to wipe this off. What I'm going to do is show you how to remove this handle. It comes off in two pieces. I already did that side over here. Take a walk around here, I'll show you. Turned out really nice. It's a nice smooth texture. Looks like a flat black look. I really like it. It's a clean look. So what you'll need to do first is pry this top cover off, and I have this plastic pry tool. What you'll need to do is stick it down in this little crease here. You can see this crease down in here. So just start back here on the back side and slowly work your way up. Okay, I'm going to start in this back side and slowly pry outward. This is probably the hardest part of this whole process. Try to get this front cover off. You can see I got it started there. This is the hardest part up here. Just keep on working at it and have patience. This stuff is a mess too, gets all over your hands, turns it black. This is a sticky mess. Okay, there we go. Now you'll see these metal clips. Some will come off with the actual handle part, the cover here. Just remove these and remember to stick them back in here. This one's stuck in here. Alright, so once that cover's off, now we have access to these 5 Phillips screws. We have 1, 2, 3 smaller ones and 2 larger ones in this hole here. You can see the smaller one, and there's a larger head inside there. So I have 2 different sized screwdrivers here. This one's a larger one right here, and we have a smaller one for the smaller screws. You need a bigger head to get in there for that bigger one because you don't want to strip it with a smaller head. Alright, so we're going to remove these now. I'll do the smaller ones first. Okay, now for the larger ones. It's about how long it is. if you ever have to remove the door panel, this is what you would do. Okay, so that just pulls right off then. So we can clean all this rubberized coating off and then just reinstall. So we have 2 pieces now. Okay, here's the rubbing alcohol you need to use. You don't have to use this exact kind. This is what I had laying around at home. I get an old rag, put a little bit on the rag, like so, and grab a piece and just apply. You'll see it'll get real dirty on your rag. That rubberized coating will start to come off. So right now, I don't know if you can see that spot there I did right here. You can almost see a line there where this side still has the coating on it. But this is really, really sticky, guys. So it's slightly messy, but it's worth it in the end, I'll tell you that. Because this stuff is just a mess. So you just keep on doing this for both pieces, and the end result will be a nice flat black look. And just, you know, keep reapplying, keep getting a cleaner spot on your rag, you know, maybe like move over here or whatever, and just keep applying, and this stuff, it works. Alright, I just finished up with everything. It turned out great, looks excellent. Both pieces look really nice. So now we can go ahead and reinstall. Just make sure that these 3 metal clips are in the right position on this part. Sometimes they might stick on this part when you pull it off, but yeah, just make sure of that. Now, if they get loose, just pinch them with pliers or something and then snap them back into place. Let's go ahead and insert this piece. I'm going to insert the larger screws first and then do the 3 little ones. Okay, lastly, we can go ahead and snap this piece back in. Just line it up like so and firmly push. Once it snaps in, that is it. It looks great, a lot better than it was, and now the passengers back here don't have to worry about getting sticky residue all over their hands when they go to close and open the door. So it's a great improvement. You can do this same process with all the other rubberized coated materials in this car. I actually did it with this back here, this little cup holder. I took this out, this front part here, I did that. This ashtray or storage unit, whatever you call that thing, did that, as well as the front trim pieces around the HVAC controls, done that. So yeah, you can just take your time, do each piece, and it looks great when it's finished, and you'll feel a lot better about it. One of the downfalls of these interiors in these cars, but with some elbow grease and some time, you can fix it up and make it look new. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out all my Volkswagen videos, and take care. See you in the next one.